Alright, welcome back everybody. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to do something simple today. I had a subscriber ask for this. I'm going to show you how to do some simple cuts. Be short and to the point. Alright, so we're going to start by importing our clips. And bring two in. And you don't have to stack them like this, but for the purpose of the video, that's how I'm going to do them. We're not going to be using shortcuts. This is all going to be with the mouse and going up to where it's at. So, got two different clips here. Going to select the blade tool. You can go down and just pick anywhere that you want to cut at. We're going to make 3 cuts. And we'll go ahead and make 4. Okay, so you can do it just like that, or you can hit your selection tool. Now for this one, you can pick a specific spot with your marker. Now if you have snapping enabled, just click this little magnet here, grab your blade tool, and if you come close to where the red marker is, it'll snap to it and cut it there. You can also, if you need to go ahead of frame or behind the frame, you can use your right and left arrow keys to go forward or backwards. So you can just kind of scrub through and come right there. And we're going to hit, and we're going to cut it right there. So, kind of put these together. Just going to move these out of the way. And drag this first one. Going to put it in place. We're going to drag this one back. And we're just going to kind of put them in order. Bring that one down. Okay, so you'll have something kind of like this. Now, if those are too long or you want to adjust them a little bit, make sure you've got your selection tool. Then you're going to come down and you see you got one that shows on the inside, and if you bring it up, it'll have a bar on each side. So to shorten, you just grab on the inside and drag back. You can do the same for going the opposite direction. So you can do something kind of like that. Drag that in place. Shorten all of these up. And this is just for tutorial purposes. It's nothing fancy. So, kind of end up with something like this. Now if we go back, this is going to be way shorter. The biggest thing that you want to remember with cutting is you want to be creative. If you have audio, another good thing that you can do is cut to the beat or specific sound cues, and it'll definitely help kind of hide some of the hard cuts. So if you found this helpful, definitely hit the like. If you got any questions, put them down in the comments below, and if this video helped you, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you all. I'll see you on the next one.